Hey, let me show you what I'm making today. First up, we've got this ring display, 3 tiers, it's glued together and nailed as well, with teeny tiny nails so you can't see it, and it's really, really solid. You can take it anywhere, and I've had people put anything on it really. It doesn't have to be jewellery, it could be little ornaments, up to you. So this is how it looks after the wax has been applied, and now that's ready to be sent off. And this one is actually going to Germany. Up next we've got this little ring tray. You can see they've got slots in there, put the ring straight in, nice and small and compact. And here's the finished item, all waxed up and ready to go. Next I've got one of these wedges, and they're great for displaying necklaces on or bracelets, on tables at craft fairs. So let's get this coloured up. And here's the wedge with the wax on. And you can also stand these up if you wish. Not bad. So this dish right here is going to be used with this piece of foam, and this is going to be a ring display. Here is the dish with the wax applied, and I do put wax on the inside as well, just in case you want to take this foam insert out at any point. There we go, and that goes in there just like so, and you end up with that. Cheap and cheerful ring right there, and they sit in there just like that.